April, I think it's the 5th, 2020. Just a quick hive checkup. This remaining colony is really doing well. You can see some bees in the entrance there, making sure to fan pheromones out, ventilating the hive. Traffic is relatively slow inbound and outbound. Haven't seen a lot of pollen at this point in the day. Did not get a check on things earlier in the day, but this colony seems to be doing really well, and we can verify that. We'll go up close and we can have a listen to the hum. Should be able to hear that on camera. That's a healthy, happy colony and a big brood nest building. So yeah, happy bees. I so can't wait to make some splits and turn it on. Another week or so, if the forecast looks good, I think we'll be ready to crack this back open and see if there's enough brood and pollen and stuff in there to do a split, an early split. Alright, just a quick update. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Like, share, subscribe if that's your thing.